Welcome to Your Guitar Guide, where I'm going to help you find your sound. Today I'm going to show you how to play Wild World by Cat Stevens. It's an easy guitar lesson. That's coming up. And you're back. That's good. So the first thing is the intro, where he's la la lawing, and it starts out with the A minor, and you've got a little like a push. So what that is, it starts out on A minor, D7, G, C, F, E minor. Then it goes back to the A minor and does it again, which that'll be the beginning of the verse. So it's... This time when you get to the E minor, after you play the E minor, you're going to play the G chord. And then we've got some picking. And then it goes into the chorus. So on the picking, check out the tab. It's linked down below here. And it starts on the D string, the fourth string, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. The next set of licks played on the D at the second fret, open D, ending on that C note. And then we play the C chord. When it goes into the chorus, we're playing C. So it's C, G, F. Playing in the key of C right there. On the B, open B, 2 on the G, open G, 3, 2, open D, back to C. Check out the notes for it. So here's what we've got so far. Second part of the chorus is G, F, C, and then it's on the 3rd fret of the E string, open A, 3rd, 3 on the A, back to the E. It's hard to do when it's broke down. 1, 2, 3, open, 3, open, 3, back to the 3 on the A. Got a D minor and an E minor. Get you back to the 2nd verse, which is the same as the 1st. I hope you like this kind of lesson. I've got some more. Check them out. Thanks.